Today we're gonna bring in some headphones, and these are perfect if you're gonna give them out as a gift or for Christmas. This is a great idea to give out. So we're gonna open it up and see what you get. As you can see, everything's well fit in there. These are wraparound ears, all right, and they basically just connect to the system itself. It's gonna retain a long time. They're water resistant for any kind of sweat or any kind of weather that you have. They're not submergible. So just to let you guys know, these are only for regular resistance of weather, right? Two great options on here, if you guys can see. Now they give you the charging station, which is a micro USB to type A, and then they give you different earlobes options, all right, including a clip, because you can actually clip this to the side of your actual shirt or your dress, if you're wearing over your blouse, either one. This is great to have if you want to keep it for emergencies. You want to, get in a call, you can do that too. Well, we're going to go over a couple options. So you have a wireless device option, which is wireless device, and I'm going to go show you how to use this, right? And this is intended if you're going to go jogging, or you need to have that freedom of not tethering in or having a cable connection to it. This is perfect. It comes with a little clip, and it comes with the actual plus, minus, and then the phone. If you guys can see it, there's a phone up and phone down. You hang up and you also answer calls that way, or in the center button, right? So this is a wireless device feature. Now the wire device, it's the same features, but it's just in the wire format. So you do have the 3.5 jack, if you guys can see it. We have the connection here, and then we have the same buttons here, minus, plus, and the center button is going to be the phone. Now the great option about these, I'm going to show you guys in a bit how to set them up. So on the actual earlobe part, this is expandable, right, in case you're going to fit it up to your ear. And then I'm going to show you guys, it tells you right in the front, it tells you that this is the right ear, and I'm going to show you how to put them on. So if you have bigger ears, you just stretch it up a little bit higher. It goes into your side of the ears, right? And you can just bring them back down and they fit in perfect, right? Just make sure that it's inside your earlobe. And like I said, this is stretchable. You can move it up and down, and very simple to fit into anybody's ears. Now, we are going to remove it. Now, there's a great function about this thing, right? So what you need to do is you need to remove the actual function. You want to make them wireless. You just remove the knob. That's one right there. We're going to remove the other one. That's two. So we got the two of them here. If you guys can see it, let's move everything on the side. Let's bring this over. So you got the two left and right. And then we're bringing the wireless feature, right? And this is going to extend the battery too. And not just the system itself, it's going to go wireless, but it's also going to expand the life of it too. Because instead of being tethered into a wire system, you can always go connect it in. And it's very simple. Just follow the instructions, left and right, the same thing, right? And we're going to connect one. You guys can see that. And this is left. If you're going to clip it on, it'll tell you which one's left and right. And then we can connect the other one. That's it. That's pretty much it. You made them wireless. So you have two devices in one. You have a wireless or wired device. This is wireless. Once it goes wireless, you could turn it up. And once you turn it up, you start syncing it up, and it'll find it automatically. And you're ready to go jogging, you're ready to go walking, hiking, pretty much anywhere. And you can answer phone calls and drop calls at the same time. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video.